What can a professional Excel application do for sustainable construction? Meet MCE2, the Material Carbon Emissions Estimator, developed for Natural Resources Canada to help the home building industry make informed, low-carbon material decisions. By comparing the embodied carbon of different building materials, component by component, or assembly by assembly, MCE2 helps industry professionals reduce the upfront carbon footprint of residential construction using data from real environmental product declarations. Every project begins in the user input worksheet. Step 1. Import an H2K file from HOT 2000 to automatically populate energy consumption, generation, and baseload data, reducing manual entry and improving accuracy. Step 2. Confirm or enter remaining project information, address, province, home description, guided by clear notes throughout the sheet. Each worksheet represents a building assembly, footings and slabs, foundation walls, exterior walls, windows, roof, and more. Users select project-specific materials in the highlighted orange cells, guided by tab descriptions throughout. MCE2 automatically calculates results and presents a full project summary, material emissions per square meter of conditioned floor area, storage, and operational emissions, aligned with Canada's national guidelines for whole building LCA. Multiple design options can be saved as scenarios and compared side by side, down to individual assemblies like windows, walls, and roofs, helping teams evaluate how material choices affect environmental performance. MCE2 shows how advanced Excel applications can turn complex engineering calculations into reliable decision support tools. We're proud to have contributed to a solution built for Natural Resources Canada. If your organization relies on complex Excel workbooks, we can help transform them into reliable, automated, and scalable business applications tailored to your workflow.